Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
My homies keep on checking you out. They wishing to be yours and they taking you out. It's getting to my head and they pissing me off. I got some real ones and they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can call me any day. You can.
That was pretty. Ooh. Oh, we have time, baby.
Yeah. So sikhuluma like before siqala besikhuluma nge-background yeporno. Uthi kwakunzima njani like besikhuluma evolution yeporno ukuthi sike from ama-magazines to ETV.
ITV like is soft core, but yeah. I don't want to be very opinionated ngendaba zeporno on this show.
Because ke songanokhuluma from experience. Kukanti thina sisebenzisa ama experience wabanye like nxa besixoxela.
Nabanza litshela istory si. Hayi.
Istory ezinjani? Mele ukhulume bro.
Because of the nature of my mom's job. Saba le internet ngikhaya ngo 2004 I think. Isayidayila lapho mfana. Wosithi uma uyiconnecta so iti angiyadayila so. I think I might be wrong, but lapha niphona phe ngabi khona.
Wayesearch.
Ama-site amaningi angabi khona lapha back in them days. So they say. Ama-category angabi white. Anyway, that's what they say. Ngizwakalani yazazi into lezi.
So yeah, then ngose move to ama magazines yeah. Akuzayo ngoba la ama VCR ayambona.
But ikhona ama-jeans. Can remember lezi yara lezi.
Ibone VCR dog.
J.
Manje wawudapha maye ngikutshele maye even ubupopular buzakutshela. Awuyazi ipressure yokuthi omasalo bethu bese spanning amagetsi ehambe iphakathi kwe-VCR. Beyikontsha muri. Beyikontsha muri ikhiphe.
Or even the disc.
Umbuzo upopo kontsha muri VCR. Ekwazi abadala befika ngo5 la amagetsi esithi.
Cha wese into eyitricking ama VCR okuhle kubuyele lapha
ade kukhona.
Ungathi
uzayeqawene ukuthi manje ngikhipha itape yami le.
Apari awkward dokuzinini.
Alena so awkward yena life changing. Mfana awkward is life changing.
Anjedi ke bezokulahla.
Hayi bese kuraf.
Parano umbale enye lokuzini. Umbale enye comment from the previous episode. To Kbrizzy is here. Mcini is here. Ralph is here. Doc is here. My foot is not here.
I comment section is blind. I want to apply to the comment section.
Laganye, my foot is not here. Mana mbali lokuzini.
Where is my 40 bro?
Mana mbali message yakhe la. I think unthumela message.
Nice.
It would have been wonderful to have him here. The whole family.
But can I join you next week? Got a deadline I'm chasing.
I'll say next week.
So next week my phone is going to be here.
So
and there's a Kbrizzy episode so what is the story?
Yeah, I feel like so we got 3 hours.
Let's snippet as my phone is to pilot into that. What? It's to pilot by my airline wonke aseZimbabwe. So ngabe embhuka umela kujele ntufuna iphi. Because ebekwazi ukuthi imember lane fast jet ipilot amabhiza.
Wakhuluma kuyipi episode?
Wakhuluma ngathi sesilapha wayekhuluma somewhere else.
Ngale sasikhuluma indaba lezi zama right. Go interview ka Night Freak. Yes. Ekhuluma ngendaba zama artists ukuthi kumele ba respect indaba zama right dawo. Esithi mina even le bus ngiyakutshela mfuni igli line amfuni irimbi kumbi zebra.
But I feel like ibhasi bro.
But you took it a step further.
Kumbi rimbi lo.
Le zebra cross.
Lapana.
To zebra kiss me zebra cross.
Hayi alikana.
But yeah, speaking of my comments, so kule nye comment video interesting engayibonayo. So ngavula WhatsApp group. Eyokuthi ngiwe ngithumela ama link. Yabo? Abantu babe besiya commenta ba like i-episode esebesi idropile. Bear in mind, ukulike lokukhomenta not ama opinions. Zwana kule enye comment engiyibonileyo la. Athi ngapi wena? Awani khuluma bani? Into abangana nisayibona.
Sikhuluma ngani?
Simelele wena ndoda. Let me take this opportunity to sip.
Mana ngene egroupini.
WhatsApp group le ngena kanjani?
So ngoba namvubuzo ukuthi mina wangena.
Dokona kwenza ufaka kwi-ghost. Bahle bakubone
No, but uyakwanisa ukungena thuli.
Hayi linga.
Bamdinga unless nxa ibizo lakho lelani alias yakho leni WhatsApp ngafaka
ilo yeah.
Oh, okay.
Ngawesikhojo.
But ngasembonile kuzinini. Ngasembona i-comment le e-group bengafuna ukucomment uqaliseni. Waqala wakhuluma nge-sound. Wathi sound ngathi njani yabo ngathi mana nthuli. And I'll give it a 2-star. For me it wasn't as interesting and informative as other episodes. But siyabonga. See you next week, same time, same place.
That's a 2-star machine.
Hey, so you guys give him the mic.
Mini comment le ngayibona but ukuthi ngithi send text back.
Usithi kade wena uthini? Hayi singabantu abahlonipha siyahlonipha input yonke so siyabonga.
Yeah.
Sizazama ukugcwalisa inkanyezi.
So khona besingalokuzi ikati podcast leza diziqala ukuthi sibe
informative la.
But I feel like the last episode was a little more informative than previous. You guys even touched on AI and it got pretty serious.
Thina vele uthi siyakwazi
middle.
ukukhuluma ngani.
Lina very
Mina
question.
lami ngithi ngikhulume. Ungangiboost ngikhulumeni ku podcast nebengakwazi TBH.
But okunye it depends ukuthi into informative kuwe.
Yeah, it's like you didn't hear new information.
Yeah.
So
But
maybe
yeah,
you already know what we're talking about.
moral of the story is aslana abantu balalela into esizikhuluma thina la. Abantu balalela into esizikhuluma la nxa ungafuni into esizikhuluma la uvuya ku podcast.
But anyway, if feedback like sharp,
Let's just let ability feedback.
Especially when it comes to technical things like
So,
improve your sound or whatever, we'll try.
Nganye ngamphendulanga then wasekhuluma then wasekhipha imali. Yebo? Then wasekhipha imali like for membership and this
this is a serious this is someone who pays for his content.
Yeah, then wasekhipha imali I was like yabonani so kuyisikhathi sokuthi ngimphendule. Then ngazinge ngibuza ukuthi ukhala ngani. Wasithi hayi sound of which namuhla sibiye the sound equipment.
Oh, we classy, bro. We uptown, baby.
So opinion yakhe sayilokuzi. Opinion yakhe sayivalue.
It is value ama opinion abantu ababhadalayo. Kuba popo bathi igqoke kakhulu. Kuba bathi igqoke kakhulu.
Qhubela la. Yabona mele ama password amafoni sibe wazi sonke la.
Hayi. Hayi.
Ngawufuni?
Hayi.
Angole sandla zakho eside. Mina ngisibe yaziphosa.
Bamba kuma comment bethi bekulokhe kudlula izandla namuhla.
Unga. Phela wasweli. But I was saying opinion ka members ayizwa. Sasihamba sisiya hire sound equipment ukuthi at least namhla siphume singathi si sharp. And I think for the
I like ukuthi kulo muntu kuma comments waside la wathi ngamabala khona.
La side lo isilima.
and so slima nje kulabanye
abantu malwana.
Labantu abayi.
Bayingafomi ndoda.
Kanti ubona nini group there can only be one slima. Abantu abayizilima.
Ngomunye umuntu obhadalayo ukuthi asibukele la.
Asislima wabhadala i membership.
But yeah, Ralph.
Mina suthola ukuthi lesiyani slang sangikhutha lesiya.
Yeah, so
because I really thought lali for me on the spot.
Oh, okay.
Ralph mbano osi sponsor ngesound namhla.
Oh, yes. So today we're sounding crisp, all thanks to Save Refair Events. At Save Refair Events, we understand the importance of clear and reliable sound on any event. That's why we only use the best equipment from trusted brands in the industry. Roadcaster Pro.
Faninto le imali.
Hey, top dollar.
Mali motor.
Yeah.
Maybe I think ezokuthiwa sibuye sizo interviewer uKabelo la.
All right.
Interview ama local artist lina.
Yes.
Interview ama local
equipment. Okay, so our company specializes in providing top-of-the-line sound equipment for any occasion, from weddings and corporate events to concerts and festivals. Our team of experienced technicians will work with you to ensure that all your sounds needs are met and that your event runs smoothly from start to finish. Don't settle for mediocre sound at your next event. Choose Savory Fair Events for professional and unforgettable experience. Contact us today on our Instagram page at Savory Fair Events.
Spell it out, bro. You spell it easy.
Okay, at SAVORYFAEEVENTS.
I think this is as far as screen.
Yeah, so far pants.
Yeah, when it's fucking a link to their Instagram
To their page.
That works.
Yeah. So contact us today on our Instagram to learn more about our sound equipment and render our options to book your event with us.
Yeah, shout out to
Shout out.
to
Hey, number sound
Savory.
nice. Hey,
Sounding
Savory.
Savory.
Umgcini bazabe sebemfuna namuhla.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen.
boys and girls, welcome to another episode of the ByoPodcast Ingxoxo 99, coming at you live from Zulu Fashion House. So,
But I want to the enterprise has gone corporate.
yeah, bro. This is now a business.
Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
business now. I'm saying so, man.
Abantu bangaphuza sokumele kube lama hearing.
It's true.
Can we start today?
Sokumele kube le hearing. Ukhona lapha Slay King lapha esibuya sonke sesifile after 2 hours.
Hayi. Ralph ungaboyiphindi into yakho le.
But yeah, we are coming at you live from Zulu Fashion House. Angazi ukuthi ama sales maybe I like to believe ama sales akhwelile.
Ukuthi liwile lazothenga.
Bawile bazothenga abantu.
Sise Zulu Fashion House at Imbali Mall.
But kulomunye siso wathi ngihamba ngithenga Tuesday. Yabo? Mina ngathi Mina ngathi then wathi then wathi ndinga wathi I think lapha nang afford isicathulo. I think afford isicathulo kuphela. But yeah, guys, if you are in Bulawayo and you feel like
You know,
kule occasion is sharp yabona ungafuna ukuyiqokela isiqoko
that you want to finesse for.
Yeah, ngafuna ke Ferry Cafe. Lingahambi Ferry Cafe lama patapata guys. Uyadlula la, get your drip, then go.
So you got to figure cafe.
mana kathi uthini.
Yeah, ngafika ngigqoka ishort.
Oh, sorry. It's a cut. It's a cut. Yeah, you were saying.
Ngibuza lo ukuthi uthi waka Ferry Cafe, uthi uhambe Ferry Cafe ngilokuze ni.
Yeah, safika.
Safike Ferry Cafe bose ngathi
Really
sinu amakhwapha. Anto na uhambe eBoren.
That's very boring. So I wanted to get food.
Nini?
Ama
Best
Friday.
away better this weekend.
Not lelane elibukela
No,
esilidlala.
it's alive.
Whoa.
Yeah.
5 aside.
Low stakes.
Nah.
No, you did high stakes.
Nah, bro, we control the ball better than
Elo
those guys that you're
stakes.
talking about.
So this one had the
Sibuya lapha phela sizothenga ukudla lapha.
Kari my wedding angitshela ukuthi kulokudla.
Before sithengele.
Hayi,
Kule bora, just focus on.
Nebhenqesi yathi siphuma la Kbrizzy uzosithengela ukudla. But
Okay.
yeah, how are you guys doing? Kbrizzy ukhona, uRalph ukhona, and the good doctor is here today.
Ongekho man.
Ukhona uma 14 spirit.
Spirit.
Dokotela, how are you doing?
I'm good. Good to be here.
Yeah,
Doxim could how many episodes?
I think 2.
3.
Not 2, bro. I think it's
2.
2, bro.
Oh, it's 2.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the third one.
Yeah.
So-
Because I think kule viki lapho sifake khona interview.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. But otherwise njani dokotela?
Mina sharp.
Yeah, khona besikhana ukuthi
kakhulu.
kube le voice
Ngabe singe discuss acrimony sizodwa.
Yebo, hey,
Ufuna umuntu
the
wesimanje.
last week was explaining that ngoni poop tape, but anyway,
Yeah,
it happened.
Eh.
Kanti vele besifuna ukuthi poop tape sizayifaka la. Ngare sisifake si display sha. But anyways, abantu ababukela i-podcast last week bakwazi kumele babuye.
Ezothi
Fashion
ngipop tape.
House.
Nakulo msisi ngicela ukuthi ngimthele ipop tape. Ngathi isenda phela mbonta kangakanani.
At least
Ngithenga imeter 2 meters. Maybe wena ufuna extra strength.
Oyekwazi.
Engasenda umuntu iphuphi.
Yeah.
Sakhuluma ngayo.
Ngiyathenga ngigitsela kanti.
And
Actually. Anyone ozasenda owasendela umgcini.
Ipoop like ngiyamthengela
Umgcini
ipoop
akuthela
tape.
ipoop.
Yeah.
Ebekwazi.
Yeah, ngiyamthengela
Xa ifuna ipoop tape.
Nge-Tuesday.
Tshengisa ubhudas ukuthi
Yeah.
this is what ilela.
No, but kumele bathumele udog. Thina
But
singamadoda alungileyo.
On Tuesday, send your titties. I don't know to which page.
Tuesday.
No,
Then
sizabanika
the winner
Tuesday, boob
is gonna
tape
get boob
Tuesday.
tape. You know? Yeah.
lisho.
Linga say, hey, linga sendeli kithi. Bona nithi zosendela ngapha sendani.
Bangathumeli mina please. Hey.
Abasendela i-page phela angazi admin ngoba.
Yeah, abasendeli.
Asazi admin ngoba.
Oyinqaba futhi ama-viewers. Ku-Instagram nama-viewers.
Nah.
Akhona guys.
Akhona.
Akhona.
Oh,
Kulamani.
akhona ya,
Akhona
akhona.
ama-viewers.
Every poop is important. Thina sizama ukusupporta amabhubhu abesibane. Ithi-show le ayikho.
Amabhubhu.
Hey.
Sesiqala i-titty tape Tuesday la. You send in your titties. Thina sesikusponsor nge-tape. La uhambe to one
tape them.
event uvoluptuous ungani lokhu di-teenage. Yabo ungakhanda abafana
So you tape your boobs, send to
Yeah.
us, we provide you with tape.
Yeah. So guys, we are finally on 5,000 subscribers.
Yo.
Next week izingalungisa shapa. Kebe sekule mpopho ethile neyikhona lapha. Kbrizzy vele ngiyabe umsebenzi wakho kebe umsebenzi wakho kebe sekutobedza lapha. But yeah, we are finally on 5,000
people who give a shit
about us.
about this shit.
Yeah. Into sesiyifisa ukuthi 5,000
And you just wafida abantu bangaki.
nginhlanzile kuzeni. I think you 5,000.
Yeah, 5,000.
So lithi umgcini uJesu.
Nah. 5,000.
Ngubonile ukuthi yangathi
5,000 men, excluding children and women. So
umgcini ngubani?
so
Yeah,
Jess was
so that's
balling,
more,
bro.
yeah.
But
Fed like 10K people.
but siyabonga kakhulu abantu abasubscribeayo. Basibukele every time, every week sibuya sizokhuluma umsangano, but you guys locally lapha lisitshela lokuthi sound yethu bad, some setting sound.
Asiyazama.
Yabo siyazama ukuthi keep ama interest wabantu at heart.
NjengoJesu.
Siyazama. Zama. Para otherwise konke ku sharp guys li sharp kwenzakaleni during the week. Elifuna ukusixoxela ngakho maybe like
Mina story is fucked up. Mina khuluma nami story anibanichoka.
Ngiyokhuluma bro.
Angifuni ukuchoka.
Nanti thina vele podcast le isibukela abantu abangu 5,000
Yeah,
kuphela.
Just 5,000 people.
Kuphela, yeah.
Umuntu ongikhande ngikhuluma nenkukhu.
I'm a thick booty chickens. What do I tell them?
Booty chickens.
It's a long story, but basically,
Ubukhuluma nenkukhu.
kulenye inkukhu e-fucked up. Nama I don't think inkukhu zama-personality, but kulenye inkukhu leni I think ili-nerd leya. Because ayitshoni lezinye yenze everyone ungilandela.
Ilandela wena.
Yeah, it was one of those days I wasn't Kbrizzy bengikabelo yabo. So bengiziklinela labaya ngishaye ifawurani yami labaya. Inkukhu leyo ke ungilandela dog. Ngawukhangela I think sakhaya na 1 minute. Ngachaya stay down inkukhu leya. Kathi umdala usemile mina. Ngibona. Ngikhaya inkukhu leya ngikhaya. I've been sitting. Yeah, weird fucking chicken, you know that? Yeah, weird fucking chicken. Umdala wesithi. Hayi, matiwa.
Oh yeah, chingwela.
Ukukhuluma nazo but ngesikiwa yini.
Kuthamba ngesikiwa yini?
Ngesikiwa yini.
Oh, vele ukukhuluma lazo siyakhuluma lazo but sikhuluma
Ngesikiwa yini. But that's how you know I've fucking delicious ass chicken. At Thick Booty Chickens, we defy the laws of God because we make each chicken a salad.
Okay.
Ipo siyangeqa but
Yeah.
ayicini fika. Safika ku Garden of House.
Jay, it's crazy because
I always miss that event.
ngasikhulume ngama events, like our events review
After the Garden of House.
after the Garden of Hope, because that thing was crazy. Yo, joke ngasamba now Garden of Hope.
Garden of House. Garden of House.
Garden of House.
Garden of House.
Where was it?
Khulumile vele.
Ibingabi
Southern Cross Estate. Just
Southern
long
what?
Cross.
Southern what?
Southern Cross Estate. Yeah.
Indawo ezinje ukuhamba amasalad kuphela. Kunomuntu ezindawo leyo uqamba le.
Mina ndoda ngafika.
Abanye bajaye ukuthi Southern Comfort. Abanye bajaye ukuthi Southern Comfort. Kwakwenzela iMncedisi but abantu abaningi bathi bechadela khona vendayo ukuchadela.
Oh.
Also it's like a classy place.
Bro.
Not even,
like,
bro. It's just a
like
place,
a nice
but it's
place.
nice. Yeah, it's nice.
But the quality
Of the event.
from the
Damn.
sound system to the DJs.
To the people.
Jay,
The ladies.
ngale yabona ukuthi kule event lana kube kule
Uzokhuluma isikhiwo.
kule ukuthi opening
Yabazi
act
abantu-
like having iyabore like building up to
Oh yeah.
laphana uDJ
Hooper from the
uqala
start.
wathi light radio vela
Such as I can.
ndoda
Upresident Kumiski. Checkers, I think.
ngale vele khuluma isikhiwo
Vele.
Awunjeba wona isikhiwo ansazi. And ansakwanisi lokusikhuluma like ngangilani.
Mina, I have a lot of friends in Harare and Namibia who always see me post this podcast and they always say, it's so fucking unfair, bro, because we can see you guys are having fun and you can tell from the comments.
But we
But
can
you couldn't miss
understand.
Yeah. Maybe.
A bunch of times.
Yeah.
Because a friend of mine was also saying that. I can't even generate a subtitle. But if I had a different, if I was doing this with a different person, maybe it's good as nga. English. Prime English.
But like as in I think who is speak up English. Yeah, me for the whole week. Asikhuluma lapha efonini sikhuluma ngesikhiwo
I think isingachaya isikhiwo lapha vele singaluze enye texture yethu futhi.
Yeah, because izinto ezinjengengubhani like izinto ezinjengengubhani uthini ngesikhiwo
Yabo.
Flatulent.
no but yabona
Flatulence.
but yezo document kusela
Ngani ngibizo lomuntu ongumnaka Prudence.
ngani ngomnaka
Flathu uyalapha.
Flathu unafla yabo parado Garden of House was
yo shout out to the
Was
organizers
a mother.
yeah it was a maza bro
ngafika sengilate wena vele ngangingayi vele mina ngangijone kwenye indawo so sezinto ngifike phela ngikhulumisa obhururu lapha bakhona ngani manje ukuthi ngingena ngile mali angisela imali angisela ngifonela ubafu lapho Ralph emembe yami ngisegedini la uthi senze njani wafata sharp ngebearesi Thuche vele ngiyabona ngani seprakiwe seke wanatha sibili quite a number of drinks uthi hayi wena mina drive wena ngina ngemuvulali
So bakusimakla.
mina bro usho ithi ngina wena letha amakhiye
I was supposed to tell you when anything goes.
ithi letha amakhiye mana ngike lipheke let him cook ngigaya amakhiye I start imoto lapha ithi kanti into lani yokufaka i-drinking apha
Jay imoto yamgcine
Anyways.
ifihla into yokufaka i-drink
anyways mbambela la ngene lapha sifika igedini ithi yehla indoda awaseke bambona ithi yehla wena
Wabusehla.
like esithi ngemuva like ucatsha ngemuva njani ngicatsha ngemuva lapha mbone sesimile egedini asisangena mbona ubafo sephuma ngazi ukuthi waphuma wathi wafika wathini
ngabanje ngawubisela imoto yami lapha ngiyipaka but okay it's fine
yeah plus ubafo yena take elinye
yeah I had a different take so
Kodwa ngeni.
fika lapha mbone nje ngokulilihlo uncinti igedi liyavuleka la
Awathika.
mbone
Akubamba ngebruke leseni stare lesana ubona uthomla noye. Oya jola 99 bemthwele ngejini. Kuphumenya uziphepheni.
but it speaks to the to ukuthi event it's classy like they don't even expect you to be smuggling niggas in.
Usenza isikasi.
yeah plus la nxa semphakathi abanikazi be-event vele babengizayo bacabanga ukuthi ngingene njani actually wasasikhulumisa
This is actually true.
bro suhamba mina like no bro like ngijahe zami but ngingena kwakuyi it was a movie parano
Njoba subatshelile.
Nah, next time we're
next
gonna
time.
buy tickets.
Next
we
time.
we usually buy a lot of tickets and give them away.
Yeah.
Even this time around, I bought tickets because the theme was less sneakers, more honeys. So I just bought tickets.
we are tired of
We're tired of the Nicolation. So yeah, they are cheese those ones. Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah, so
But am I event anje mina you are it's one of the things that make them a difference maker la. Effect yokuthi most of our events vele bulawayo sabe sikwazi sausage fest.
Sausage what?
Sausage fest.
Wena khuluma emagini wena nganangikuzwa.
Kebe sausage fest.
Yeah, sausage.
Kubasa fest.
Oh, kebe kugcwele ilokuza.
But ama event njengabo Mncedisi labo lokuza nini, you actually get a nice balance of cherry.
Yeah. Khona uqhathekile ukuthi ku event yabona kube lokuyi balance loka.
Why? Lifuna kwenzani?
No, try ambiance.
Yeah, ambiance.
Like
Ukuthi amapiki
Give me more.
when there's nice chicks around, it doesn't matter. But it's not like it's funa kube busy ngabo, but just ukuthi boy, izolo boy.
Zolo boy.
Ngisho ngasuka lesinye boy.
Usinya osuku siyangaphi.
But just the possibility.
Yeah. Plus kuqhathekile la vele kumele coexist.
More
Kana
ambience.
lifuna kunatha lathi kathi doc. Level ngafuna unatha lathi vele like
It feels good vele kuba ku event yokuthi itable lapha ngabo cherry board ngapha ngabo cherry board. You know even like things your phone are safe. I couldn't to figure so uthola ama gents ndoda. Uthola ama gents ndoda.
This is a very interesting reason.
Jay, uthola kulama gents ndoda.
But I'll tell you something.
A fight is going to happen.
Yeah, I'll tell you something. Ama events alamajita kakhulu. Umbhaka uyakho. Vele as long as
Exactly. And you don't want that.
Islanders versus
Boreni.
Yeah.
Boreni vele kugcina amajita. Amajita
much.
lapha nxa yodwa khona.
Vele ama negalations
Ama negalations athi.
kubudoka kakho lapha ngabe sikisichani ngama.
Vele kube seke sibhoxani. That's why we need you, doc.
Yabo?
Usibalance.
So uqhathekile ukuthi
So amajita ngabe le alcohol involved.
Yeah.
I-alcohol ibisikustimulator. So siba stimulate. Kanti ngobuza. Yazi umbuzo lo I've been sitting on it for a while. Onyelalela hip hop.
Yeah.
Uyazi ngoma Tiger and stimulated. Ayihlabela ngo wasn't he dating, was it Kylie Jenner, one of the Kardashians esangumntwana? Athi she a big girl dog when she's stimulated. You don't know that song?
I think I do.
Yeah, but what was it like? What did he mean by that?
What is she's a what?
She's a big girl dog when she's stimulated. Because he was dating, like I think she was 17 at the time, and then she was underage, but they used to fly out and go to like vacation at these kind of countries where
so when now what don't you understand about that statement?
What is that? Ukuthi hayi engabe mncane. But ungamthola sestimulated. Why is it in Tiger?
why is it khonoko ukukhuluma?
That is one of the most horrendous songs I've ever heard.
Baby kabana lo Drake said you need to act your age and
not your girl's age.
Oh.
What was so Kylie at the time? I think it was Kylie.
I feel like
Give him the mic.
Definition of stimulation, especially ebafazini.
Oh. Bakukumala.
But what kind of statement is that in the first place to say? Ngabe underage. But ungamthola labanye say, ngiyakuvuma. Why is it? What the fuck was he saying, bro? He should have been locked up for that shit. That is the most predator shit I've ever heard.
I feel like
it's mina.
Cause
Yeah, she was 17. She was 17.
She was 17.
I feel like his name is izinto ezisenzakala kudala lapha kube
but then when into fact time ukuthi be so story sakudala dala so 2006. His story sakathi uKylie kathi how old is she?
She's probably like 23.
You check. So his story sakathi because maybe his story got 2016 cancel culture was kind of coming into play.
Mina mfuna ukukhuluma ukuthi stimulation is different from ebafazini namachiteni.
But
Why should let him explain?
Ma usithi umuntu nxa stimulated uyisdara uthini?
But wena ukhala ngalona leli kuleli Rick Ross lelia balela lamkhansilisa put mali in your champagne she didn't even know it.
But Leliana at least akazange umuntu ekhona underage first of all. But secondly you heard his defense though. Rick Ross what the problem ukuthi it was on a racial grounds because Eminem has had far worse lyrics and he's never been cancelled because he's white, but it's because I'm black and I say something and is he the only one saying those kind of lyrics anyway?
Why would you put money in your champagne?
Khona zongaba liqiniso ukuthi vele umuntu omnyama.
You know what I'm saying? But I'm daily lapha no Rick Ross because those kind of lyrics get said a lot. It's just what about
But those ones are very rapey.
Have you listened to Eminem?
He was what two when.
Yeah.
But actually speaking of who can't like team cancel culture. Abantu bathi it's like silunge kakhulu ku podcast le bro.
What he?
Like asika like akula controversy bro.
I think
But
some
they
of
want
the
controversy
lines
so they can cancel.
Yeah.
Ukwenza ukuthi like but I think
ngeke isikhansile
bangasikhansela bathola
so Mike ama-mic enu lawa hayi account YouTube so ngeke isikhansile fuck nina
actually abathi ngeke bathenze next so kulokuthi sibe sihlala sibuye lapha sithi Mncedisi garden of ours fuck Mncedisi fuck garden of ours
ayikho bakufuna
uhambe Mncedisi etholi 8 ngiyabona sikutsho
ngiyabona sikhulume but I think is sharp sinjalo
wena is there any local content creation that is as on the edge as us
no plus I
thina
think
phela umdisi awumkhuluma la
umdidi
anjabo umdisi awukhuluma la
there are some things that we say I think maybe they fly over their heads
noma department but ona ngohlala ukhuluma izinto ezidangerous wena
mina vele kunesikhathi sayizakhuluma ama-gents ngama-homosexual lafana ngazibona i-TikTok niggas TikTok
they can actually still get us for those things.
Yeah, they can probably still get us.
They can still get us.
But I know thina sharp thina.
Yeah, vele bakade bafuna kade waye kumele isikhanselwe kade.
Nibhenxiko sesinga.
Thina ubona singaqalile ruling party ndoda. Thina sabantu ba sharp ndoda.
Uyabona difference between ukukhanselwa
lokubulawa.
Ukukhanselwa lokukhanselwa eMagnet House.
Ngoba sekungaba plus futhi difference. I feel like obulawa incane kakhulu ungakhuluma ngomuntu
izahlangana
eGenesis yakushaya ngempama
sonke siphathela amanzi endaweni eyi1
yabo
eBCC siphathela amanzi umuntu just has to wait 30 days
yeah kuphela ukuthi akutimele ka1 akushaya
ngisititch singablock kazi la suva khona ngapi todi member
so kusiba yisini
so
right singaqala abantu siza
iconnect
ana but ikhona nyayizonda mina zalihle iqiniso majensi ikhona nyayizonda but it's fine but nyayizonda
yeah
but nyayizonda
ngiwenhlala ngicabanga ukuthi amele ngasikhulume kubi ngayo maybe sebengasiniki i-sponsorship but I'm detail
kanti sisile how many days isingela network
bro you can make calls Jay like
you can't
the simplest
be on
thing
WhatsApp.
in network provider na ikwenza ama calls
ndiyabhadala bro
namhlaba siphi free data nge-network engasebenziyo
yeah
and idatha yabo is puss expensive
that time le speed sankhona
8 gig imali majensi $17
puss yakaphi expensive
ikhulume njengeZimbabwe
17 ndoda 8 gig
ikhulume njengeZimbabwe
yazi check nalokho kuyapeyinelwa
mbone ngile kuze nini engi Twitter disho ama prizes we Rolwan eNivia ezim ukuthi angazi kumbe 6 times more expensive as compared to eMzansi ngale eMzansi iRolwan i29 rand la iNivia efana nayo ethola nge129 rands when enyi comment esithi oh now we understand I understand so vele amaZimbabwe nele ale reputation yokunuka amakhwapha
mina vele ngile working theory
guys cena nabasegoli la ndis represent kahle ish
ngile working theory ndi about 2 weeks ngiyiphusha I think umuntu ozalwe eZimbabwe kulento fucked up wenza in your past life and la upunishment la
ipunishment
sikupani la this shit doesn't make sense dog
bro
uyakwazi check kuso fucked up hayi ukhawule ngini ukhawule next door ngazi uyemazweni uyahawula nje
ndoda
thina sesikulevel lena ukuthi it doesn't matter how much money you have or what access you have it's just
yeah
$17
8 gig
I think maybe I was a serial rapist in my past life whatever I did I am paying for it
damn bro
insurmountably
bazasikanzile for that shit
na lapha ngikhuluma nge-reincarnation not ezini past life yakhe
I clearly some just ngama Nazis onke la we're paying for being fucking Nazis
yeah but kule kuzinini iYouTube lama terms ngothi ungakhuluma ama views ethu
njengo Nazi
yikho ehlala no like ama views ethu ehlala phansi because uhlala usithi fuck every week so mele siba at least omd abawazi yabo but abaphiki kodwa singabe lapha sibe clean of which I doubt very much ukuthi sizawa clean bona ngani kule hope
I was talking to someone today who works for an NGO and that person was asking me so could we get the podcast could we get you guys to maybe if we come on board as kind of like a partner or whatever
yeah
and silinike like ama specific topic esifuna lo discuss to raise awareness
yes I say
no akaqedile point yami
this.
Ngaze nsithi ngaluba umlomo ngathi you know what you're saying sounds like good business. The problem is it sounds like to me like uthola umuntu othengisa ijam and ijam yakhe ngana abantu bayithanda wathi jeki ijam yakho le blind sengifuna ukufaka imali but izwana senza idobi usithola sivele sikhuluma inyoso ufuna iplatform yethu ngoba sile nyoso so ufuna ukuthatha
because abantu
basikhulume nge
because abantu basithandela ijam
into esingayenza vele
abantu bejam
arrangement enjalo ukuthi senze episode yethu le yangemande then bona siba entertain i-upload ngeSaturday ngeSunday ilanga lecheshi
maybe a specific episode
exactly
no but thina
not ukuthi main
guys we are professionals. Like,
yeah, we can if we have to discuss.
Also,
sustenance farming in Matebeleland and Manicaland areas.
Yeah.
See, statistics la.
Okay.
Don't play, bro.
Okay, now.
Izinto ezinjalo futhi ezingagcina zisenza sithola ama scholarship ama sponsorship ukuthi siphume sihambe ku America, UK.
Bese ithola podcast yesikhiwa futhi. This episode yesikhiwa.
Yeah, but sibenza imali ke bese kule difference. Actually bengicabanga ukuthi indlela iZimbabwe bheda ngakhona singa sacrifice sonke la sonke lapho ukuthi sambe siyobhala ama English test push NS 8 or the next how many months NS 8 3 months yeah
I think it's supposed to be 3
I think udok vela akala need ukuthi ayenzini
Dokusengavuke ngale kusasa.
Yeah, udok mayifuna vele.
Doku ngasibalekele.
Actually udok nguye
ozelela phela 3 months since NS 8.
Fine.
Yeah, that was good.
So udok vele nguye sengihamba kuqala eUK. Then thina besisela sibhala. Yabo.
Simnandi sebesicrusher with Doku seyasilale emasofa nakho.
At least sihambe siye lokhuze, sihambe siyo clean ogogo ngale ngapha si record podcast.
And we might have new topics that are relatable to the audience yethu evela ihlala ngale.
Yeah, escleaner sonke ngale.
Sithi kanti naba gents licha top to bottom to top.
Ngoba
what do you do?
Esengikhathele
kama wives are sharp iwapi nje kangaba rigged si.
Ile into sengikhathele ukuphuma emsebenzini inuka madoda kanti lina liphuma njani ninganuka.
But iplan yokuya yenza ama English lokho zenini?
Ama English test. I think kule ndawo udok ubeke wagoogla doc kule ndawo esike sagoogla ngayo esingabhala khona ile kuzini English test. Tell us more about the place.
Innate Technology Center. Are you looking to improve your English language skills and boost your career opportunities outside Zimbabwe?
I feel like him,
Look no further than Innate Technology Center in Bulawayo.
Yeah.
Our experienced instructors provide comprehensive IELTS lessons to help you achieve your desired score. We also offer registration assistance to ensure a smooth and stress-free process.
I'm really smooth.
But that's not all.
Mina mbijana to benza smooth. Benza smooth.
Usmooth akengaba smooth.
Dokufundile nje ubazole degree lo bamlobola ama giraffe lo.
Endlovu, but that's not all. Yeah, we also provide CV and job application assistance to help you stand out in today's competitive job market in countries such as the UK.
Yeah, lapho sifungia khona.
So we are conveniently located between JM Como and 8th Avenue in Cuthbert's building. So Innate Technology is the perfect place to enhance your skills and achieve your career goals.
All biscuit men laba. Ngi JM Como 8th Avenue.
Esithombeni sika Nkomo laba next to Agribank.
Omna sengu 9th.
Yeah, no so 9.
Esithombeni sika Nkomo.
Esithombeni.
So guys, ngicela abantu ukuthi basidonate imali. Then bese siyabhala nga 1 Ngiyaqala wena ubhala.
Hamba qama. I'm sick and tired of ubhala $70.
Qala Kbrizzy bese kulandela nami niyaqinela because mina ngiyalithanda lonke.
Umuntu wasinyela yazi.
So niyari ukuthi ngilithanda nini?
Hey.
Don't wait any longer to invest in your future. Contact us today at info@innatetech.co.zw. That's info@innatech.co.zw or call 0774 708-508 to learn more about our services and how we can help you succeed.
So yeah, I feel like many English
Ihambe.
testing a thing as really because every time
That episode you very good 10,000.
yes bro, just because in
double Christ. This is sacrilege. Neyikhuluma lichisa gehena ngasihleka.
and besitshengisa episode phela lina lahleka umfana wena vele wayesefa eceleni
Mina vele theko kwami ku guarantee.
wayesefa bathi wena manje eceleni le so give him the mic.
iBhayibheli liyavala ama-jokes.
Uthi liyavala ina ama jokes.
I feel like
i-joke bese singahleki.
Hayi but kuthiwa kuthatha ibizo kaNkulunkulu in vain.
in vain and
Ukujoka ngaye la.
yeah ngeza ku joke ngezinye izinto bro.
Nje ku Rick and Morty.
So alright iBhayibheli lithi singahleki.
Hayi. Hleka nabangani benu.
Jake kufanana lawe
Ningahleki imvana.
ungazake like utshela ubaba wakho ukuthi anamhla iprogram lakhe ayinwanga.
Singari mthala. Uloko sakhona wena endlini kana uyahawula.
Wonta kuyenza.
Ngikhumbula
Yes, with that experience, umuntu omdala endlini engasuza.
No but sungahleka amaswenzile iNS8 yakho.
Hleka umzali mayesesuza.
but into ekhulunywa nguDoc Lay situation
Tricky
tricky bro. Umzali libukela iTV lapha asuze.
Ntwi.
Abazali bale flatulence.
The problem is the problem ngabazali is babaqala ukukhuluma. Ngabe bayathula.
Yeah.
Nathi sithule kudlule.
Kudlule kufanana lathi. Jay kufanana lathi singabona isexini ku TV silabo we just shut up.
Bro. Abadala bale drama bro. Yabuzukuthiwa I remember umasalo sasithi nxa sibukele maybe generations kuthuji isini ya. Besibukele sonke one besingakwazi ukuthi isini enjalo izaphuma.
Ayisithi esibhalayo.
Ayisithi
Of course,
esibhalayo.
yeah.
Ayisithi esibhalayo. Iqalisa ukuthuja lapha zibisha amalams. Mina vele ebhutasa nje bese sikhanyele phansi sizome. Sizome ngohle. Uze. Ngikho ukukholisayo ukubukela. But la uhlezi la.
But la uhlezi la inisibukele la.
Exactly.
So yeah.
Umzali yami umthethe mama, Monday bengila, Tuesday bengila, Wednesday bengila, Thursday bengila, Friday. Ngibhalela ini episode le. Ukubona ngibhala episode generations mina.
Besibukele sonke la.
Thuna sonke la.
But umzala asuze wenzani guys?
Lo yazokusiya ngedynamic yakho lomzali.
Yeah.
Kuya ukuthi phela abantu bayachiyana nabazali, yabo.
Yeah.
Kuya dynamic yakho lomzali. Okunye ngaba wethu yaqinisela. Mina angikhaya kangela ndaba. Komniki mic.
But yeah, okunye kabe kudependa futhi like amfuna ukuthi
Ngakhuluma.
umnuko wakhe ukuthi
At least man, mina umsuzu.
ngakuyi nuclear nje yaphuma nje.
Mina umsuzu
Xa
womnuko.
nuka kakhulu it's fine.
Umsuzo.
Intensity yeah ibala dendidinga.
Intensity yomsuzo. Mawuthi la ngulwana othuche ungala sound. Abadala ngiyathatha iplay mina noma ungasowami that hey ikumphunyukile noma kuyibo ngikwazi yabona ukuthi banga. But nona ukuthi sisihleli wathi boo wazokala uvelela kuwe. Ami ngiyasuma ngihambe ngibene esidwike nje.
Mina la ngiyathi mzali.
Mbene esidwike endlini. But I have an interesting question for you guys. And yakwazi mina sivele sengingumgcini wembuzo every week.
Awusichaye.
What's the pettiest reason you won't date anyone? Ngombuzo o-applya kuma-gender wonke are represented.
The pettiest.
Pettiest. Lakho futhi kuyadependa ukuthi into epetty kuwe yini, yabo. Yeah. So starting mbanofuna uqalisa uphendula ngudokotela. Dokotela.
Bese khokhi.
Ngikhuluma ngani ngiphakamisa isandla sami.
Ngudokotela. Dokotela uthi yes. Teacher.
Mina isikhiwa.
So mina ngincade nzama vele.
Doku English nuts.
No, understand what I'm saying. And
Yeah.
I'm not saying melubele accent, melubele white.
But that's chilling.
But if I say an idiom, you must understand. If I say, like
Kbrizzy idiom thina. Ungathi idiom siyathi unyoko.
or like anything nje, like sayings or
Oh, so
like,
what you're saying is you want
remember
someone.
student's companion.
Blue.
Yeah,
Yeah,
ngawungaba student
yeah,
companion now.
No, you just mean
like
like
that.
pop culture references.
Not even
Not
that.
pop culture, traditional English references.
Yeah, but that's
Like,
part of
I
pop
should-
culture. Maybe
I
you guys
should
think
say needle in a haystack and you should know what I mean.
Ekhona uqala sokuthi, huh?
I mean,
yeah, but that's still like popular culture. We do pop just means like popular culture
Yeah,
references.
okay.
Whatever. Even if I reference a serial killer, you must know who Ted Bundy
Yeah, you
was.
should-
Something like that.
bakubonye njalo ndoda engangasazi.
But that's not even a petty reason. That's a serious reason. When I'm about which makes sense.
Yeah, akafuni umuntu odala.
Which makes sense.
Yeah, I'm totally uyabhoka guys.
Into petty dog. Lokhu ku serious la.
Akho serious though, Jay.
Otshela
Because
babe
they want
bahle
to
I
bethu.
wasn't
Yeah,
even saying into it down because I'm not even talking about general knowledge. Nje like
Kwezinto zama movie. American Pie.
Umuntu ngathi nangu Steve
Nangu Steve.
Ngathi nangu Steve Luhlube kwazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani. But anyways, continue.
That's a solid reason.
Yeah.
That's a solid reason. Awula umuntu ofuthandana umuntu odala.
Yeah, go tricky bro. So kumele uchasise ezinye izinto. Kumele uhlale uchasisa. Msho ku relationship yangu yebo uchasisa la mama.
Ngiyatshara ndoda.
Umuntu odlele bukela ufamily guy lokho ethule kufana.
Yeah, but it's true.
you see
Yeah. Kanti vela ngopopa yoko ngichaza kona.
Ndoda umuntu
Nayabukela uTrevor Noah umsisi. Uyakwazi. Hayi, sawuyela.
No, siyakwazi vele ubukela isho le.
Uyabukela isho le, uyakwazi ukuthi indlela ereact ngayo la. Hayi, into sendeza ngizithandi.
Yabona.
because everything was
Boy,
going over.
Yeah.
And you understand ukuthi ano. Akuso kwakhe. Maybe nxese singafaka unceko kwakubo.
Kumbusikhumba.
Unceko oma 40.
Hey, uma-photo athenza wathi kafundileni ngiyabomjwaye.
Charity begins at home. Uma 40. Yeah, maybe nxeke ama jokes ama 40 senga-understand.
DVD edam. Do.
When I get Breeze, what's the pettiest reason
I
you
don't
want to date
know.
anyone?
Pettiest.
Yeah, pettiest. Ngendlela yakho.
Le angazi fucked up. Angazi pettiest. Facial hair.
The what?
Oh, the one who tell about the stash. No manga.
But yeah,
you're gonna wear petty. Got the name was
lemgulo
What about like just like one that like sticks out?
Yeah, one is for me. One is okay.
Ngathi ungazi mawuqeda ukukiss uqasa ukuthi me.
one is fine because this station is cooler. That's the problem. So there's school 45 lavana. But I don't know, dog. It just always unsettles me a little bit when I see it, and I'm just like, but I have dated 2 girls. I will a mustache. I'm about choka live in direct. I'm a senior. I'm a senior.
Yeah, but
I will not agree or disagree. When they couldn't you ever.
But what you guys say? Yeah,
Lego petty, but the chest hair.
What?
Yeah.
This is the same thing.
yeah, vele wena ngani.
It's the same person.
Often
The person
really.
who's likely to have chest hair is the same person who's likely to have facial hair, because their hormones are.
Lapho sitshela ngudokotela.
So how many in it?
Yeah, vele be here umuntu
Tell me
wakhona.
That's just
homosexual.
Huh?
No. She's saying umuntu vele ovele wabale facial.
So I will
Exactly.
testosterone and
Yeah, they should probably get checked out for like polycystic ovarian syndrome or something.
Ini.
God dang.
PCOS, they call it PCOS.
Because
Come on. Don't say vujola like into check because pause. Ngaba ngifuna test AIDS. Ngaba mele say family planning. Ngaba ngikari haba njani.
Because
psychology.
wena so vele izinto ezingathi zile nzinza phakathi. Azizisana.
yeah.
Izinto ongazizisana. when I get
I don't even want to sound like too materialistic, but umuntu lwana like ukuthi sonke isikhathi ngosomele sithenga something kumele yena behlone efuna into like the cheapest thing that you can ever get. For me it's like, hey, no, I'm not even talking about like ukuthi sesitha sambe efair cafe. No, not even that, bro. Kulo muntu lana ukuthi normally lithenga noma like the simplest thing like chicken and but haya chekule chicken and cheese lapha eranking lapha. No. Okay. Not even simple thing, maybe like a t-shirt, maybe $5 and say but Jay asambe ngale islanders kule $2 for $3. Like it becomes too much.
The quality of life.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand what you mean.
Iranking never sambe kakhulu.
Jay, kulo muntu sonke isikhathi lokho criticize like ufuna like for you to always get like the cheapest option.
Applying.
I swear.
Anyone who get podcast leyo sekanombonela Pengula Street kakhulu bekasingale kulamadiri ka.
Of which is okay, but kumele lakho like kube, you know, kube controlled.
Awungeke unzise eGalaxy Boy ngithele ranking.
Wena, eza skipper sejet lesi lesingani uyabulo kusiqondisa sokunje.
Oyise sile print.
Sengitshe umgogodla khona.
But as ikulo ukuthi
abe lokho sithi so uyasazi skipper ngesijet. Ijet bathunga fast. Khona igrave edlulile.
bathunga bejahile.
Skipper sejet ngiyasazi.
Parano drink so you like
for me it's petty because umuntu la member save, you know.
Awulenye reason talk or audience yethu ngabe benxime.
Okay, mina vele umuntu olama enemies ku WhatsApp.
Olama enemies.
Olama enemies.
Labo cherry lawana phela uthi yahlala post athi kankona you guys don't like me.
Oh yeah.
Sekuzibuthi sasisonke yini ku gang le ama enemies.
Yeah, umuntu olama ops suspicious. Uyakwazi isitela sama ops isitela sama khalanga. So ngobona any quantum or twin cape ono likhalanga yabibhalwe.
Kanyoko
amakhalanga nje kahlalela ama ops yabe ubhalwe yeah until lolaka sengivukile okuthiwa lo ngiloyani manje hlala lama ops uma later lama ngenguma later olikhalanga ukhangela imoto yakhe ibhalweni
even lama status hey ngikhulekela izitha zami like
izitha zami
yo
okusalayo uzovuka kuphela
khona pho yithi esibali status
kulenye la nethi idlula ubone
vele zihlale zilama ops leziyana bro zinjalo all the time lokhana lami lokhana ngizakuvuma lokho ku fucked up lokho
yeah lokhana mina ngiqala lama ops
I think for mina mfazi udawa every week.
But these are not petty reasons, bro. These are legitimate reasons.
Bakhona abanye abantu abaphila like with
njani. Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
So mele dagwe how often?
Oh, but when ukuta unathi.
Yeah. Mina vela mara ngithi izinto mina eziningi ngingazenziyo.
Ufuna lo mama engazenzi.
Yeah. Oma izenza zenze.
Yeah.
I feel like okay akuphethe.
Okay. Yeah, when you put it like that it makes sense.
Kuphethe.
Ukuthi
ungangeni postori lawo.
Ukuthi ya mina ngiya accept inkinto but lawo ngiyisha
lawo phela.
I understand what you mean. Here's a
I've
petty
got
reason.
one small thing.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
Like umntoti ngingathi sengiphekile sengidle sithi sengibuya. Like ungabuyi. Like do you understand what I'm saying? Like ngingathi sengisiyageza athi
asigeze phela.
Can I join?
Khathali ukukhonjiswa kathi.
No.
Kata so style.
No. Can you play also uthi la phone?
There's some Nokia X2 WhatsApp vibes, you know?
Hey, siyabuya thina.
Like 2010, you know, like introduction of WhatsApp.
How long distance relationship get dog?
To post a picture phethe kuyijade about sembuya.
Nah. But man sendelana manje.
Amankazana ngani the older.
It's cringe, guys.
But now say this. I am very convinced that most of our sexual approaches that women say are cringe. Think they're
from
cringe.
People they're not attracted to.
They think they're cringe when they're coming from people they're not attractive to.
Yeah.
Chris Brown ngathi sengibuya.
Ngiyathi cha.
Uzazume
No,
lokugeza.
ukuthi
Siya light igiza.
Uyathini?
sembuye athi ngiyathi calm. Like hey.
So amankazana njalo. Whatever they say they don't like, they probably just don't like it coming from.
But personally, this
yeah,
particular
yeah.
thing, no, for me.
I mean,
Whether
ngizavumelana nawe ngiphonga ukuthi ya. Kodwa Tom Holland engatsho njalo. Ocheri bro, from people they are attracted to. They even like rapey vibes, bro. Rapey vibes. Like umuntu ombamba ngentamo ethi sekona kuyala.
ngabona para into akhuluma ngayo ngabona inyi post Facebook kuthiwa indoda ikudlwengule and then bese kuthiwa ikunike 10 million US dollars following days amakuxolisa ama comments engabala lapha actually proves ukuthi into uBreeze akhuluma ngayo to some extent iliqiniso into mabe ithanda like or ivele emntwini amthandayo so abe problem but asi encourage ukuthi umuntu oyindoda
But
Yeah.
cuz
mele actually vele baqunya ama
what?
amasende
Abarephi phela.
Mina no 100%.
ngingavuka ngingupresident mina
Non-consensual.
yabo kubaqhumile.
yeah
Non-consensual.
ngebe ngiquma but ngebe ngihamba
Twice
phela ngisiyobuzima
Seliqume ngaki bafana namuhla?
ngiqume ngayi
Hayi saka leli mina igcwale.
sale megcwaleli
Yabo bafana sebequma lamasenti kanti bafana nenzani?
but I think any reason for me a pet umuntu ohlala efaka makeup
Yebo.
like every time masihlangana
Engabili.
or masiphuma every
Engabili
time
traveling gear.
every time masiphuma bro every time
So ufuna sometimes we are natural.
unguwe
Yena uyabe senzani first of all? Like uyabe siya ngaphi? Maybe you're dating a model.
You know, she always has to
She's
look
a
the part.
fashionista. and she
ngiyaunderstand angimuhle ne but lawe phela awukho forced to fake makeup every day
umfaki
So
pressure.
over commitment.
Umfaki
Yeah.
pressure.
Yeah, well, you know, it's a personal petty reason.
yeah
It's fine. No, maybe. I've
Yeah,
never
we
thought about it.
said petty reasons anyway, so there's no need to
Yeah.
question.
Oh, but really, here's the thing. Maybe I've never thought about it because maybe the people I go for also are not those kind. Maybe totally me at the back of my mind somewhere. Because I don't think I've dated someone who puts on makeup every day.
yeah bese ungathola uyifaka kayo i-identity yakhe bisihlalisele mphela
I
name
Oh, you know what? Mina mangutshele enye into that's a little. I wouldn't say it's a reason out, but it's always something I'm on the lookout for. Umuntu omuhle owakhule muhle no problem. Awutshela. Mina abantu abale pretty privilege. Abantu abale pretty privilege. Mina I prefer umuntu ovuthwe semdala. Ukhulu ngani ubucrust. Ngiyakutshela.
Abantu ababe lama late glow up, they're very dangerous.
Okay,
Let me-
explain yourself, then I'll explain myself.
Let me explain myself. All of a sudden,
all of a
you're
sudden
getting a lot of attention that you never used to get. People are considering you pretty that never used to consider you pretty. All the
So
influx of attention. Vele uhle ube hot on the spot and you're not used to that. Umuntu okhule pretty uyakwazi ukuthi vele I've always been pretty, so uzwa uRalph engaze uyethi umgcine uyethi wena ubuyethi I'm not phased, I'm still going to be me. But if ngichise khathesi, I'm going to be all over the place.
ngiyakutshela ngithi muhle ngithi ngiyasomela mina
but
I hear what you're saying.
Yeah.
What you're saying is a valid point.
yeah
Can I justify my point?
Yeah.
sure
Mina, vele, I know this from a psychological standpoint. Ingqina mhla sesingaba informative.
yeah
Yeah.
Yes,
Let's
maybe
switch it
sesingaba
up.
informative since they want us to be. I-problem esilayo ngabantu abakhula bebahle is that ukuba muhle during your formative years, which is when you're kind of building your understanding of how society works, is that vele we know ukuthi in society they've proven it psychologically ukuthi abantu aba good looking get better treatment so to speak. So there's this psychologist, I think Robert Sapolsky. He did an experiment where he could prove the average male, if they get what counts as eye contact from what they perceive as an attractive female, there's a dopamine hit in the brain. Dopamine hit is equivalent to like taking drugs or like ubhema cigarette. So this guy has scientific evidence that men are actually addicted to people pleasing, good looking people, because when you get attention from umuntu omuhle, you get a dopamine hit. Okay. Now what that does is abantu abahle bekhula you kind of get, we have a kind of like an output to input structure in ourselves. I need to do this to get credit. Umuntu omuhle only needs to show up. I just need to be there to kind of get praise. You know what I'm saying? For an example, maybe Nakuleka is fucked up, or even his God is fucked up, but in whatever school I went to or whatever neighborhood I stayed in, Mncedisi was popular more than anyone. Wait for it. Or whatever. So it means like average to ugly people had to master a skill. You had to pick a certain craft and get good at it to get popularity.
Okay.
So all she had to do, now the problem with those people is it gets a fucked up concept of how much I have to do to get rewards. Because this is why, let's generalize. I'm a millionaire maning. I'm a millionaire mavi. Most people with money are not really attractive.
They're socially awkward.
Dog, generally, people with money, hardworking people, very in general, hardworking people and people with money have average to low looks because from a young age, they had to learn to stand out.
Work for it.
I need to fucking master something, monetize. And the only good-looking rich people you will find, Hollywood, it's actors. So in the one industry where you just need to show up and be pretty.
But is it only exclusive to women or la machita?
Now here's the thing. It actually works for a machita. But the problem is, statistically, it's more fazin because generally women are the fairer sex.
Right, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But even a machita, members is sexy. It's useless. It's useless.
Okay, Kbrizzy, I do for low confidence.
I got low confidence. I'm very low.
He low blow.
But
Kuma formative years they go romela kube muhle. Kumele be ugly. You must learn to work for shit. Then you can work for shit usumuhle.
Kule member kodevin ezlotshola ngabafazi. Beyiba beyifumba siyambile. Izuzona lezi
member is yo.
Abantu abanje.
So yeah.
But no,
you're making a point, yeah.
Umuntu experience pretty privilege la.
Nangu sister. This is pretty privilege, yes.
Go on, Benjani.
It's a real thing. Well, I can't really pinpoint like an exact thing for you right now, but generally I've experienced it throughout. They're just getting slightly better treatment sometimes and getting a lot more attention from maybe places I shouldn't be getting attention from. However,
now obviously you are clearly an exception to the rule.
But I think there's a lot of things that go into like molding a person, especially in those formative years, and also where you come from is also a big indicator of where you're gonna end up. The family that I come from. Actually, in my family growing up, I wasn't really considered like. Because I was slightly No, I've always been considered, maybe a little above average. But on my mom's side of the family, everyone is much lighter.
Oh.
So I was always the dark one, despite that I'm not dark, but I was always like the darkest.
So associated lobu as a one was child.
Well, it is what it is. But anyway, my point was going to say maybe a petty reason I wouldn't. Abantu abamele bebe average. So these motherfuckers learn how to work.
How do you then
Ayalitshela.
Yeah,
Ngoba ngaba lo mfazi omuhle kakhulu kumele abantwana abahle kakhulu ngizazala amavila. They need to be ugly to make a living. That's how Chinimbi did it. That's how my granddad did it. That's how my dad did it. That's how I did it. That's how my kids gonna do it.
So when you prefer umwana olengane.
Umwana Jake uya ukhiphe edubeni nje. Ungaba nomfana ku-sex akuzokulenzele lutho ekhaya.
Kethu nje bekulobola la.
Yes, nje bekulobola.
Athi nje sebekulobola.
Oh, so kuli protein bro.
But then, how can we reduce the impact of izinto ezinjenge pretty privilege so ku society? Seeing ukuthi izinto ezi like kubi.
I think vele society in general there's not much we can do about that because most of it goes to wiring it because but in any living organism has two fundamental objectives, which is to ensure survival of species and pass down knowledge.
Yeah.
The two things we have to do. So part of ensuring the survival of species is obviously mating. This is why you always try to, very wired to try and mate with the best possible candidate.
Yeah.
That's how it is. It's also the same reason why beard gang or why women are attracted to men with beards is because going back thousands of years during caveman times, Lesiana is as the hairy, as the more testosterone.
Yeah, konogwa.
Yeah, they
Testosterone.
you wanna how that comes in with your ladies with the hair as well. It means they also have more.
So
Like you know these things.
Anyway, so those guys would be because more testosterone just meant maybe bigger muscle to fat ratio or whatever it is. So they were just better hunters than
Jake.
You're gonna make a horrible caveman. Mgcini was gonna be an exceptional hunter.
So they're probably gonna see you.
So I'm fast. What you all compensate downstairs, upstairs. So, I'm a caveman. As a area with better hunters, so women knew they could provide better, and that's where they think some of that attraction to hairier men comes from.
Oh, okay.
So
sort of makes sense though.
Yeah, that does make sense.
The theory has married.
Yeah. So vele bengikhuluma ngani? Ukuthi uyadegrade
The same question.
But I think the reason besikhuluma pretty privilege. Sivelela from
petty reason.
If pretty privilege you fucked up. Some people right now who are very good looking in your life is going nowhere. It's your fucking face. It really is, bro. It's your fucking face. And these people didn't help you. They just gave you props for nothing. And then you had a low scale of how much you have to do to get rewarded.
So very entitled.
Very entitled. It's like
entitled.
How entitled are good looking girls, bro? Sweater, Eddie, can I have this sweat? How weirdly wired you have to be to see someone rocking something nice and think I can just ask for it and give it to me. That's crazy, bro.
And guess even konabe pa kutshela uthi ngihlale eCement side asahambi enchi.
Exactly.
Yeah, BMG.
Khona. Where be chasela out drive town. Ask Kbrizzy usharp. Hambe enchi endlini. Ubona him and drive with Jason Moyo for vibes. You don't think I'm going somewhere, bro? Like I can just put you in my car, just take you.
But my funny thing is, uyindoda ezithe azamili.
That is the problem because now they learn throughout their lives. I just have to show up and ask for shit. But then in real life, let's say especially in business, that's not how shit works, bro. To make a living, to build something, you don't just show up and ask. You put in the hard time. So
or even school.
I'm anti. I'm anti.
So it's in your bush, especially bafanele. Associated lo ngayo le mali. I've seen ilokhu izinini izinto ezinjalo senzakala.
Yeah, some chicks actually say that.
Ocher bekhuluma ukuthi imembe enhle.
Alamat.
Hapana diri.
But Tina, I'm not better. Mina ngafunda by the time we grade 2. As in as a class enough to stand out in Funde something. Yazi never to juggle. Do you know I know how to juggle like class? Yeah. I have a large array of useless skills that I had to master as a child because I knew I gotta do something to stand out, bro.
Endlela bana vele ngebreak bambe round le nominye la mphawu.
Vele but mina bonke laba abantu ngikhala eclassini la.
Yakuhambe ku preschool wena kuthe dlala nenyama yembongolo.
Hey.
Mana ilene yokuma so bengani bathethisa abantu la.
Wabo simemelwane.
Yokuthethisa le.
Ila auto cherry member
Kule inye J
Ketime.
Ucherry like abangani bakhe bathi bemkhethela ucherry wabe ekhala ndoda ngoba imember leni imnyama esasifunda la ukudala. Ucherry wabe ekhala ndoda.
Ayazi mina J angazi ngikhethe.
Bathi ukalelani? Bathi jole yazi.
Mina J. Nyawazi.
Jole lo kabelo.
Nyawazi J. Ayazi angazi ngikhethe for spin the pot.
Hey bro. Yeah. That's
a sad life, dog. But here I am. Let me tell you something. Do you know if we're all going to live up to 80, most of us are not even 50% through. So the larger part of our lives is still waiting for us.
That's crazy, man.
And what's shitty is, this is actually, they even say this in psychology. The shittiest part is the part of your life where you are kind of programmed is the one part of your life where you actually don't have control of who's around you, what you eat, whether. So you could have fucked up. So it's not your fault because at the time when your brain was programming, you didn't dictate ukuthi ngindlale malini. You couldn't choose you couldn't choose lapha ufunda khona. And you just grew up fucked up. And now part of adulthood is unlearning all that fucked up shit you had to. You know what I'm saying? So abantu abahle or abantu abangamavila, it's not their fault, bro. They really didn't have control of that shit. It is what it is.
So back to indaba pretty privilege.
Actually, back to into pet a reason engenza ngijole lo muntu because of yona. Umuntu lokho egqoka imask la karesi bro. I-World Health Organization isikhulumile ukuthi COVID isiphelile.
Awusoze beyifile ivideo lesoqamba World Health Organization lo COVID.
Hayi.
Behle the information in this.
No, but iqiniso.
Yeah, they're probably going to do it.
No, but
vele sathi COVID sokuchid.
Yeah, bazafaka but information esikhuluma iliqiniso because
it's no longer a pandemic.
According to CNN, phela ama sources lathi slow timing. Of course, ongubhana bala sources lawa. But information enje so yeah.
And I'm a very credible source, mind you.
Yeah, she is.
Yeah. Trust.
Asesiza ubonke zonke sivume njani?
Yes, for uvuma nje bada. Relax pause.
Ismail sayizomthi yeah.
Pretty privilege nele. Mase siqedise. But umzulu dog labantu beumana nje. According to CNN, the World Health Organization has declared that COVID-19 is no longer a global health emergency.
Khwehlele emchoveni.
Siyakazi ukukhwehlela singakhangelwanga.
Khwehlele emchoveni.
But mina ngizothi kulento engangihleka like during COVID. Yathola umuntu egqoka imask bro. Gqoka imask. Mayikhwehlela akhipha imask.
But uyenzani?
No, but kari ireason yemasking yani kade. Aniyokuthi uvala isikhwehlelo ukuthi singaphumi.
Which is
umuntu sekhipha imask sekhwehlela segulisa thina.
Alike counter intuitive vele lokho and it felt really funny.
Bro.
Awubona ngale zene ezazi ku orchestra lezana lezi 30 feet ezagqoma mask iziphofu
That time COVID ibibonga.
Also, can you also marvel at how all of us thought COVID was going to be a forever thing?
Yeah.
Wasn't there a point where we all thought we were going to wear a mask forever and ever? I mean.
And mina ngase ngu-acceptile.
So look also we knew way. So that's how you know this shit was engineered.
Damn, bro.
Maybe measles looking on. Doki measles looking on.
Yeah.
Now those things are controlled now. Just like anything.
But like even COVID is not going to go away.
But you see, vatin.
Yeah, like every pandemic kind of just happens like that. It's like. It's going to be there probably forever, but it's not just like maybe a mild flu for most people.
Sinjengokucheck.
Becomes
But it's no
controlled.
longer like a threat.
Nento
Yeah.
ebufebe, nento kucheka, nento ebufebe.
Yo.
Kufanana even le HIV and AIDS. Iqalisa like damage eyenzayo like aresi. Of course ayiphelanga but you know.
Yeah, umtsamarayo.
Jeke iphema lana ekudala
But
nto.
iphema
Ekade seyipheli.
Ngani hayi into elikhuluma emergency. Ngoba liyana I think is a hectic one. Yeah.
But iphema bro.
Liyana futhi liyana ngani different because liyana ngani
No, I feel like
something on German.
no, I feel like owakuqala futhi ukuthi abantu
Yebo
babenkani.
easy. But here's the thing.
Babengavumi like ukuthi bagula like umuntu avume jeke selele
But
esibhedlela.
here's the thing. See, now part of his stigma HIV I felt like came from effect yokuthi people felt like it's also reflective of how much choices akho. You chose to sleep unprotected with people. Well, some people didn't choose. But akufanele COVID also ngayithola nje usemchoveni ungenzanga lutho. But the AIDS wawungani velulele lo mnye umuntu ofebile uhambe wacha inyoro somewhere else. That's why his stigma yakhona was that bad. That is my little conclusion from it. Because ungabalayo, you start asking yourself ukuthi ngubani nilelayo. Yo, kububa nangilala ngathi. So there's like a list of choices you feel like you could have done better. Whereas with polio could I have done anything to, you know, how much could I have done? Polio imnandi kunobhuti lapho okodelo ipolio imnandi.
But i-COVID isiphelile guys. Yini into ozathi in 20 years time xa kuthiwa kukhulunywa nge-COVID uthi madoda abantu abami ngesikhathi lesiyana thina
Lina bamanglazi lalingastima amanglazi kathi ngawuthi.
bro ngangasagqoki amanglazi mina ngiqoka imask
So rodoki life.
ngabona
Yeah, same.
yeah
You wear glasses?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you do wear glasses. I'm giving away your identity also. When a Lois Lane. Wear Goma glasses the other time.
so wawe gqoka ama-glasses
Yeah, once.
Yeah.
Or maybe nase ngabona ngabona.
Ngap-
This guy.
but yeah
So mele sambe ngale siye check lapha uDoka asebenzela khona i-Benz.
Naraming.
lapho futhi sesingadubulisa i-Kbrizzy phela sikho safe as celebrities
Yeah.
lento AK bamenzani
Ubani?
AK so nxa sikhuluma ukuthi
Phezulu.
i-Benz
Ama-Benz maningi nje kule Benz enoboya kule Benz like ama-Benz
Some of
maningi
them
to
but yeah COVID siphelile guys
yeah.
We are free.
ama-memories of course ngathi kusounda wrong because so ngathi kwakuyiphathi but izinto like eliza zikhumbula maybe in the next 10 years or 20 years because of COVID ikuyini dokotela uzange wahlangana le COVID husband
Were you on action? Were you or you were still
I was. COVID actually delayed me from finishing school.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
But
Well,
like,
at least you could
yeah,
stop or something. You know what? Nothing.
zero
It's just
Because
regular life.
I was supposed to be done like just as COVID started.
Oh, but I think I would have put out an album also, and I would have shot a video. But here I am.
I remember when COVID started and when it came to, and it started obviously like Wuhan, China. That was like January, February. The first cases in SA, I think it was March. And
March.
we were all like,
okay nje ufunde vet dokan
yeah, like khona ngathi.
yeah
How did COVID see a tattoo vice president? What man? Shiri, what man?
hey
Please, cool. Because all the joke is a that's COVID. Yes, Wuhan, Hengene America. What on Shiri? One of our commander army.
Yeah, kukhona member yafire like a prominent.
But he was one of our early casualties, and the whole joke to hanging a Cody, and say, hanging a drive a shiri, hure.
Yeah.
Go to joke in jar. But yes.
So yeah, all this is going on. I think the first cases were in SA. And you know how Zoom was just like following behind SA everything. I remember it was a weekend. And we went out. Back then, in the way Chisa was Shisha Breadfield. And it was Shisha Breadfield, like this was like Saturday. Sunday, everyone went about this. Saturday, upresident wa announce into zakhe ngeSunday. Sunday ntambama upresident wathi everything close, school close, everyone endlini, and I had just started a new relationship. Babuyilahla. But wakungayilahla.
Uphuthisha Redfield.
Ngazangathi can I join you?
Ngazangathi.
Azi uthi khat.
Ayisevavanga.
But that guy waye risker, let me tell you. Waye driver. Kula roadblock lapha ngihlala khona kule engangihlala khona. Kwakule definite roadblock that was always there. Kbrizzy yazi but so ke sikhuluma ukuthi ngaphi.
Sithutha somfana silanda ukuyagulisa udokotela.
Why every day religious.
Every day.
The lunch hour yakhe emsebenzini.
Khara isebenza
emsebenzini.
Ezokuthelela.
Ojwalo robayo.
But
iyasebenza la.
Mina ngile story I think esi fucked up ukuthi nxa ngisikhuluma even lakaresi abantu abasoke bambelieve. But
bathathe ma40
first COVID scare eyabakhona eZimbabwe yasuka lapho engangisebenza khona mina. And umuntu yena lo owasecuritayo inews zangikhona zona lezo wahlangabeza reception. Amphelekezela wambe roomini. Wathi suka lapha akuhlela I think 30 minutes kwasokuthutshe udokotela eVic Falls. Thutshe udokotela wangena wamba eroomini. Khanya vele wayengena egule yabo. Wambe roomini lapha.
Qhabula wakhotha umoya.
Khotha konke bro. Hamba udokotela wathutsha wathi ngizokuthoka lo mntonje osefikile. Bahamba bamchecka. Dokwathi ephenduke vela ngale. Wathi sengisiya quarantine like 2 weeks and I advise ukuthi wonke umuntu obe in contact lo muntu lwana kusase emsebenzini angabuyi. And following day sa receive ama message kusihlala endlini.
Wophizwa mfana.
Istory esaphumayo kuthiwa anso ngikhulume indawo like here hotel yankhona because sengabuyela ngisiyadinga umsebenzi serious bhe. Yebo but istory sakuqala esaphumayo eZimbabwe kuthiwa sokule
Gokhomba.
Sokule COVID scare. Gokhwaba.
And you were right there.
Yeah.
And you were
And at that time there was a lot of misinformation. Vele usisuhamba vele.
And futhi ilokuze nini eSpan babekhulumile ukuthi akula muntu okhuluma anything. But yatshela majita. Macheza. Phela ke timing futhi kebe songana usuli superhero because into yangone ebengani isase re yabona le impact yangikhona ingakabi serious.
But did you get sick?
Later on like
what did you know I never get sick from COVID? You did
3 times boss.
Like sick.
Mina indlela kufa mina. 3 times tested positive ngatshona ama ribs so. Ngathi ibhola ama noodles 3 days with pop. I was on my way out bro. Now just even this serious, even tuberculosis le 8 because COVID 3 rounds but I'm 3 for 0. Listen, I actually have also a crazy story. The first 3 weeks, I come the first 21 days of lockdown there where there was so much misinformation we didn't know. Do you know people were comparing fast. So COVID there was a lot of misinformation about what was going on. So Mina, I had just flown to Namibia. I literally got to Namibia 2 days before lockdown is Enzagala. I was at my bro's flat. We stayed in like a complex, like a kid. Everyone complex afala. I said
yeah.
First 21 days, you know what? Just indoors, it's vibes. Everyone thought it was like a 3-week vacation. And then and this guy has a studio in his house. He's actually like a 5-time award-winning producer. So I'm not saying they do pay album.
Yeah. How?
Yeah. So we run out, and it's the flats in front of us. And this lady, she stays by herself, and she has like a daughter who's like 6 years old, and she's screaming. About twigs in. What's going on? 80 hours sleeping, and I felt a sharp pain in my chest. I think it's COVID. So I said, okay. Do you have medical aid? She gave us the information. At a distance, Savesi for nearly ambulance. Ambulance, very. We do much. We was for the gate. No, Mama, hey. We were fully lumia. Engine in a pa. My saying, Gena na pana. And fully windy. Where's a cool something funny? Etty, please call my baby daddy and tell him I'm dying. It was such a weird thing that she said. Like, or you can't call him yourself. Or, maybe it was applied for attention, whatever it was.
Yeah.
But the ambulance, it is imtata lapa, what a lokum young or chia maki eling. So I'm not saying one of my key. You left your keys. Yazi ubrawa ni we qathe uyamazi uRicardo you saw him ngalo Ricardo ngathi ngicela ukuqhumela umama namakhiye shit ngathi ngafa mina uyazwa ukuthi bro why did you touch those fucking keys ngahamba ngageza andiqambile manga ngangigeza ngikhala kuleka ngithi please God not like this please God not like this. That day take angilalanga ngakhuleka ngathi uNkulunkulu ngicela mina ngikuthi mama no let me not go out like this 6 months later nganze bhawa ngikhwehlela abantu ngomani fuck this shit
but wasivive yini mazalwana or
lwana wabuya 2 days later ngongela lutho bro I think but now my point goes to kwakule misinformation eningi abantu babesesaba we didn't know what the symptoms were there was hysteria and ungathulele nje okuyiflatulence kuqansi
so sikhwehlela kuphela
ubongikhwehlela even if it was a regular cough or whatever so she didn't have COVID but I got it like 3 times afterwards
angathi ufuni attention iziphi izinto eselike lazenza just ukuthi lithole attention yabantu elijola lapha
abazigulisa laba uyamthwala ndothi umuntu wesimami
so kwazigulisa na doc just to get attention yo
anyone who knows me ukuthi angaze ngigule ngiqala
bese ufuna ukuthi yezo hey first time also you come from good genes so let's spell it
but esintwini they always say you shouldn't say that because
it's like you're daring the disease
imembe yami yaba involved to accident of course ngale sokuhlekisa bawangahlekisa imembe yaba involved to accident sahambe empilo yabo impilo lapha na sharp yonkinto basitshele bathayi umembe sharp lingahamba la membe sesiya ngitshela ukuthi hayi bro bathulala la ngitshela ukuthi iworld war eyaphumayo andali lapha mina
look as this
ivideo yangona ngizayidinga ngilitshengise off cam or sizayiposta siyipostela ama members ethu kuphela bayibone ukuthi member esa andali lapha mina
Jake bathe bafuna ukumonitor relax la member
that time I wheelchair yangikhona ile virally 1 vele ngapha special 20 nje uthi ulale endaweni enjalo bro hey akutrick utricky guys
esibhedlela ko hayi mana singakhuluma ukuthi even actually we have a jarring perspective because when utshona khona thina sibuya sovakatsha ndiyasakutshela ukuthi kufika ngale ko fucked up mina Jake loba ngaguli ngasiyaphika umuntu esibhedlela all of a sudden kathi
manje bathi via sikucheck ukuthi ayeyeye
uyasengena ngene ngutsheni kawathi
kulesibhedlela ezinjalo ezikunika vibe nale
so ngene ngutsheni
anzange ngaphuma emontini bro
ngisesaba nje ingutsheni engiyiparanoid uyabona la usuhlanya mina vele ngihlala ngiexist on the line anyway I'm pretty close to umuntu ohlanyayo so ingutsheni is a little fucked up for me ngathi ngena
and why do they let those guys lose sometimes
they escape
oh baby because kule member mina ngathi mphakathi kule members azilike isipota kompani
oh you mean inside they're actually not prisoners. They're allowed to roam around, especially the ones that are not like...
Yo, no way. There's some
wards where it's like they're stable patients, so yeah, they can move around and all. But then the ones that are violent are the ones who will be like locked up in not locked up, sorry, but like, you know, put in some confined area.
Okay.
Yeah.
Amaphilizi ayisenza ulimi lwakhe luphume phandle ngomlomo wakhe unozithi iphilizi angasenza ngifihla every time ngalinatha zomuntu azila so ngani nabo they make it worse mina ngathi ngifika Jake that day ngangichuma ngani ngiyalo
amjama singakhanzilanga ngizithelile ngokuthi kanti thawa izilungile la vele lathi cancel culture activated but
angutsheni Jake kunika ama vibes ngutsheni impilo yeah kunika ama vibes of fun
but in closing ngifuna sishama throwback okuchokana lisakhumbula sichokana guys like sichokana lapha kungakabe lezi zinto as a cancel culture.
Toko khulele masaladini ngongachokwana ngathi.
Okay. Little chokana talk?
Babe
And
boleka
I
nama
would say I'm
Nintendo
also
la.
a gentle person.
Ayeka sisasichokana. Ralphi usakhumbula ichokeli 1 leli serious othi la kade small.
Awulithembile.
Mana ngicabanga.
But I mean like ngenzi i-post recently ku memes ukuthi abantu bachokana and ngibhale phansi like
Amabanger.
angu 10. I felt
Amabanger.
like these are bangers.
Yeah, so sure nama bangers.
So
I'm
nxa
sure
ukuthi
vela thi just wazi.
ungumuntu sensitive or ngathi walk too much.
See you next week.
See you next week.
It has been good.
Great
Yeah.
having you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and
your
comment.
buddies.
Yabo.
Yeah, like that.
Twa ikanda lakho likhulu kakhulu. Mayimpukani ilibhoda ithwala umphako.
Yeah, sengikhumbulile manje
Lokho
ibhenga.
kubuhlungu umntwana nje.
Ibhenga ekhuluma lethi ngikhuluma ngathi emnyama le like ayekothiwa ngokunyama awuzalwanga bakunompole etari.
Alezi mina ngizithola lesi.
Awuthwele.
Hawu so receiving into.
Twa ngokusola izibona ngani nje eqoqomela ibhimu.
Ale ngiyazi.
Le ngayizwe le.
But mbona lesibuno singabantwana. Lesibuno yini?
Na le ngiya high school. Le ngiya high school.
Tshwana izibuna.
Le ngiya high school leswe
Le
primary.
rapey, ale ngiya high school,
Le
rapey.
yeah.
Twa ngentamende isitshwala sifika ezizwini esihlobile.
You.
Well. Laba vele ubhalele mina. Laba uselecta choka mina la.
Tswai. Twa ngoba ngani uhlafuna isikoro.
Jay, ayitoliza. Asikusiba le session like uhlebe lokho lijikelana uphela like
That's chokani.
Ngoba ngani uhlafuna isikoro. Twa ngokucaka kwakho ungafaka isawudo izinja ziyadla zithi ngumkhwapho.
hey.
Amanye izikasela msasingelazo lezi.
Ilive
Amanye urelease la bantu tjala.
Yo.
Mntwa ngemhlathi emunceneyo. Angathi izibonezi avoid umhudo.
Hayi,
guys,
amanye urelease la.
No, guys.
Zasingela ngolo ngekasi.
Athina kudala ngana izidindi ndoda. La ndoda.
Azozididi lezi bathu.
Iko phela
Yike ngitsho lezi
lokho sasingelako lokho.
Twa ali I think sasitshed. Twa bakuzalanga bakuyina kuScorpio.
Nje ukuthi abakuzalanga le ihlupha le ndoda.
Yathi
Ngiyabamba bekucebela le ndoda ayihlupha le.
Twa ubube ubahambisa umama wakho lo baba kwenyangeni besithi uloyiwe.
Ikonzithi la nje kulanga na yivi kakhulu.
Isla personal.
Uloyiwe. Mana sibo. Twa ngoba bangani uhlanekelwe. Lawa
Yeah, la yesaswache.
Oh.
Oh, Suzy, to Suzy man Chris because I quebana like some stupid shit. Cause like deep blood.
alawa serious
Now was auto champion ngini Tony. They champion ngini I over Pamal Pochal Chamalengela.
Cha ubangani wazala ngamadoda abafazi beku strike.
That one is cancelable. Hey, yeah, ne?
I think I'm a 2K at the Palinto.
Yeah, I'm a 2K is la manje Jake vela tricky Jake.
I feel like Tina zazingekho so.
No, you know what go is did Jake ukuthi vele kuyanyisa ukuthi
Lawa
ukhulume
serious la bro.
Lawa. Yo.
Yeah, I know that one.
Uthanga ngobubo wathanda abahlekisa umzindi. Abahlekisani. Ahlekisisela ucachile or something.
Yeah, those things.
Cha ngobonyama ngathi likhopha lika Chaka.
You. Yeah, I got this like a tricky that these ones can hurt your feelings.
Ngapro la buhlungu la bro. Mana sibo sengaqedile.
Abantwana vele basa linyakele bona abantwana bechokana these days. Ungana kusekho ke.
Mbondi.
Abachokana
Aba
Jake.
sasingena ama toys, sasingena ama TikTok uthi.
Bachokana even like this bachokana. Bachokana.
Yebo.
Yep.
I think isengwaqedile.
Ungathi ukuchokana different. Wena ugay. Wena sexually fluid.
Why are you gay?
Why are you gay?
Say I'm gay.
You are gay.
You are gay.
But I know this has been another epic ByoPodcast ingxoxo 99 show like ishow le vele ngibengufila ukuthi la namhla ngathi sakholisa njembona iprep play ngathi lapha sezonyiwa for real
kusezoba manzi phansi
Ingakhohlwa.
for real
Titty tape Tuesday. Lize nje umgcini ama-titties.
bro bangathumeli mina bathumeli admin we ByoPodcast because we're just employees yeah
Which is true.
yeah
Abafuni.
but ma episode le ikuchazile like our comment uthathe i-screenshot or i-picture yokuthi episode le ubukela usenzani noma usibukele ubhotsha it's fine thathe se-toilet nxa ubukele nge-TV ngibone ungathi uposte besibukele ngama-TV amakhulu
United Kingdom dog. Basibukele United Kingdom. Basibheka phesheya dog.
so ma ubukele
sendiza dog
ma usilalele thatha i-screenshot take i-ByoPodcast utake lathi ma usazi ukuthi singobani wenzeni futhi xa ubukele ku-TV thatha i-picture TV poste ku-Instagram usiteke futhi like let's make noise guys road to 10K
Ooh.
no rest
Yes,
for the
big.
weekend.
when it's all said and done
When it's all said and done.
but otherwise I think kulenye video mfunga iplay la mfuna mkhona ngam
Of we player emikini.
Dilo chichenjite chichenjite bro chichenjite
We in a different league, my boy.
yeah
Qichi torch
iyi video mfunga iplay unfortunately wena mibe nxa usuyize please but into engizwe kuseni asingathi hayi video lenza iplay abantu
So nanzayizwa but nzayizwa
post projection
yeah
Mfana ongenamali othandwa bakubo. Yabo mfana ongenamali othandwa bakubo ningazodakela osisi bethu nini. Ayikho nje ingane yakithi engathandwa umkhufekhufe ongenamali othandwa bakini mfana wami.
man
Bonile lena. Kuba indoda ingenamali kubuhlungu yazi. Kuba indoda ingenamali kubuhlungu yazi.
so guys asambe sisebenza osisilaba bafuna imali sibe mnandi siyabonga
Mfwe.
yeah asisizwi
we out
My homies keep on checking you out. They wishing to be yours and they taking you out. It's getting to my head and they pissing me off. I got some real ones and they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away.